So, a very good morning, everyone. So, today we'll start a new chapter, class 12, chapter 7. It is the second part of the book, and this chapter is going to come in the next term in the final exam. Okay. So, this chapter is very important because this chapter is strongly linked with the upcoming chapter also. Even chapter 8 also based on this topic, and chapter 9 also based on this topic. And integration, it is not a new topic for you because it was already introduced in class 11. In class 7 already you got, right? Because you solved many questions based on integration. Yeah, because in physics integration plays a major role. So you have already familiar with the topic. So it is not new thing, but it will be very easy for you now deal with because now I will explain every meaning, every terminology, what is there, what is not there, why it is happening, why not happening, how the formula comes, everything will derive. So first of all, let us understand the meaning of the word integral, or you can say integration. What is the meaning of integration? Integrate. We are the integrate part of country. Again, integrate. Assam is an integrate part. Means it's a combined part. Integration means to sum up. Jorna. Okay. To sum up everything, to summarize to everything is called what? Integration. To add each and every individual member, it is called integrate. Differentiate. The name indicate to make it segregated, to make it isolated, to make it separated. So differentiation means to divide into small segments. But integration is the reverse of differentiation. Integration is the reverse of differentiation. Differentiation divides the quantity, but integration adds the quantity. I hope that's clear what I'm saying. So, okay, pause. For example, as we have already learned in differentiation, ddx of x is what? 1, right? But if I ask you, what is the integration of 1 dx? Reverse, again it will come x. Understood? Reverse, completely reverse. For example, we've learned already ddx of, suppose, log x is what? That is why I told you to learn differentiation well, to learn each and every formulas very clearly. Now you see it has a great application. That means if you have the complete comments about the differentiation, you won't face so many problems in differentiation because it is a completely reverse process. Okay, we will study about the reverse process only. So we will learn that ddx of log x is what? 1 by x, right? Right? So if I ask you differentiation of integration of 1 by x dx is what? Log x. Fantastic. Log x. There will be some c. Actually, one c is introduced, and why this c is introduced, we'll be saying. Don't worry for that. We'll be saying everything here. Same thing. Don't write now. Just explanation. Or you can, if you want, you can write down. No problem. Already we know the ddx of means differentiation of sin x is what, my dear? Cos x. Cos x. Cos x. And so if I ask you, what is the integration of cos x, my dear? Yeah, it is here. What to say? Yeah, minus sin x. No, cos x is sin x. If sin x is cos x, then cos x will be sin x. Understood or not? This is the differentiation. Differentiation follows the opposite order, opposite manner. Right? Clear what I'm saying? Now, so this we have understood a little bit about different integration. Now, what are the areas where we can use? What are the various applications we can use? Here it is given so clearly the various places we can use. So where are the things where we can use? So you are given here. We can determine the position of an object at any instant. There are several such practical and theoretical situations where the process of integration is involved. The development of the integral calculus arises out of the efforts of solving the problems of the following types. These are the problems which can be solved, and there is many other places where it can be helpful. So it's okay. Now let us move ahead. I will just make you introduce one important thing here. So don't worry, I will be giving all the formulas here. Just I started with the basic concept here. So now let us move ahead. Basically, integrations are of two types. Are classified mainly of two types. There is two types of integration here. One is called indefinite. Sir, indefinite integration, or you can say integral, and one is called definite integral. What is indefinite and what is definite? It is a very important thing. Indefinite. Now you tell me definitely true. Have you heard this word? Definitely. Definitely. Definitely means what? Definitely means what? A distinct point, a distinct thing. At dedicated point, it is called definite. For example, when you define something from these two there, right? It is called, what is the define means to define. There is a range. Define means this integration has range. This integration has range. There is a range from where to where. That is why in this integration we introduce two limits. For example, integration, suppose I am giving integration of x dx. Now from which point to which point? So I am giving here a to b. It's a lower limit and upper limit. Understood? Because a fixed range is given. You have to integrate the value from here to here. Not clear? But here, if I say mention this thing, integration of x dx, there is not a fixed value. Under what value we need to integrate? It is not given. For example, let me introduce one graph. There is a graph. Consider the name of this graph something x plus 1 like that. Na? X plus 1. And if I say integrate it, that means we need to find the total value of this area under this curve. There is not a fixed segment. There is no fixed boundary where we need to define or where we need to find the location. Understood or not? But now, what does the definite integral says? Suppose there is a curve, same curve like that, x plus 1 example, and it is said you find the integration from x equal to a to x equal to b. That means we need to find only under this one only. We do not need to go beyond this. We do not need to go less than a. This is the purpose of the definite integral. It defines the certain range and we need to work on this range only. So first of all, we will dealing all the question based on integral, means indefinite integration. And then after, because in this chapter you will be having 11 exercises, 11 along with miscellaneous and 12 exercises are there. And all the exercises are unique and different of different patterns. And you have to use different logic, and I will be saying you every logic, how to apply. Every situations are important. So you need to be very attentive, you need to come in the class regularly. Okay, you need to come in the class regularly, and each and every class will be very important. So you be serious, I also be here with you, and both combination will make a strong effort and we can move ahead, right? So because ek tarfa mehnat, ek tarfa pyar kafi nahi hai. Right? You love a girl, but she is not loving you. Will you be happy in your life? Come on, tell me. Definitely not. Now example, you have a bicycle, आप pedal मार रहे, you are trying to pedal harder, but what happened? The front wheel is jammed. Can you move the bicycle? No, you can't move the bicycle. Means when the bicycle will move, when there is a cooperation of both the wheel, right? So only effort from one side is not enough. If I only put effort, but if you're not putting effort, we cannot move ahead. And our purpose is not to move one wheel. When we can move both the wheel, then only we can reach our destination, my dear. Understand or not? So we all need to cooperate and initiate the program together. Then we can go to the enlightened path. Understood, my dear? So let us move ahead. It is clear types. Okay. Now one important thing I am going to discuss. Now listen. First of all, I will introduce the formulas. Then we'll go. So now, dear. So let us first write the formulas. As I will give in here formulas. Now look here. These are main formulas. There is nearly kind of 21 formulas are there. So this is the reverse of the differentiation. Come on, guys. So first of all, we already know that the integration of 1 dx. 1 dx is what? X plus c. Now you might think, sir, what is c? What is this c? I want to know about this c. Why this c is introduced, my dear? Okay. So let me say you what is the main purpose of the c. In every, you can see in every integration formula there is one c is introduced. Obviously, we are very familiar with the word c. C means what? Constant, we know. Why this c is introduced? This is our question. Now let us move ahead and learn it. Right? Come on, look here, my dear. What is this c? Okay, my dear. What is this c? Look here now. Shall I start this part? Say yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah. Come on. Now, my dear, look here now. If I say you differentiate x square plus 1. So, come on. What is the differentiation of ddx of x square? How much? How much? Twice x. Good. The differentiation of x square is obviously it is twice x. Any problem? If I say you, what is the differentiation of dx of x square plus 1? Now tell me. 2x. How much? Answer is what? 2x only. 2x plus 0 means 2x. If I say you, what is the integration of, what is the differentiation of x cube, x square plus 3? Yeah, it is still 2x. If I say differentiate of x square plus 4, obviously it is still 2x. My dear, are you getting what I'm saying? Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, if I say you, what is the integration of 2x? If I say you, what is the integration of 2x, my dear? Definitely it should come. Not clear? If differentiation of x square is 2x, then definitely the integration of 2x should be what? X square. Ready? Because what the formula says? What the formula says? That ddx of, come on, look here. ddx of xn equal to what? nx n minus 1. Clear? But integration is the reverse. Integration says the integration of x power n is nx dx equal to x n plus 1 by n plus 1. In differentiation we subtract, but in integration we add. Clear? 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 Yes, come on, look here now. So something, if I say you, what is the integration of x cube? What will you say? Very simple. You will say, sir, x to the power 4 plus 4. Any problem? 4 by 4. 4 by 4. Clear? Clear na? Very good. So what will be the integration of 2x? It will be like 2 is common and it is be x square by 2 and another is x square. Any problem? So if I ask you, what is the differentiation? What is the integration? Again 2x, come on. 2x is what? How much? Tell me. It will be x square. Where is 1? Where is 1? Where is this 1 gone? 1 has to be introduced, right? Because the differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x. X square plus 1 is 2x. X square is also 2x. X square cube is also 2x. X square 4 also 2x. But what about this 1, 2, 3, 4? Where it is gone? One constant is where? Are you getting what I am saying? That means what we can say that there is some constant is there. There is some constant will be there. Because when you integrate again, you have to get this value. Yeah, c can take any value. C can be 0, c can be 1, c can be 2, c can be 3, c can be 4, c can be 5. Right? Are you getting what I am saying? Right? So thanks to that, if you differentiate, you get only x square. What about this one? I have to get this one. Otherwise, it will not valid different integration. Not. Bhai, bolna. Understand or not what I am saying? Huh? So if the differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x, x square plus 3 is also 2x. What about the constant? What about the constant? This is the reason why integration is introduced on C. If C is a concept, C is a constant, it can take any value. So we need to introduce one C. If C is not been introduced, if not given exam, it will be a wrong answer. While in different integration, we do not need to introduce C. Okay, we will learn that one. Don't worry. But C should be, because many students does mistake. That is why before mistake, I am reminding you not to do from in examination. This is our thing. Clear? So what for this C we do this one, because the differentiation of this again this will come. Not समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बच्चों? So that's the thing. Same thing if you integrate of 2x, you will get x square only. What about this 3? So for this 3 we need to put some constant. Because इसका differentiate 0 होता है, तो 0 का differentiate कुछ होना चाहिए ना? 0 का differentiate is constant. Understood? So come here now. Now let us write the formulas. Come on, hey guys, everyone. Fantastic. Look here. Come on, shout with me. Shout together. Integrate of dx equal to x plus c. Because we know, because differentiation of x is 1, right? So 1 ka x. This is the reason. Come on, once again. Integration of x dx. Actually, this square should be here. This n should be here. It is this formula. It is this formula. X power n dx. Some mistake is there done by our Abhinav only. Okay, clear? X to power n dx is x to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Clear? Cosec is sin x and sin x is minus cosec. Integral of sec square x is tan x, because we know that differentiation of tan x was sec square x. Clear? So integral of x square sec square x will be tan x. Similarly, differentiate of sec x is what? Sec x tan x. So sec x tan x differentiation of integration of sec x tan x is what? Sec x. Clear? Same thing. Differentiation of cot x is cosec square x minus cosec square x. So this similarly integration of cosec square x is cot x plus c. Okay, this is a new, I'll say later on how it come. It come how I will say later on. Now let us come to here. Same thing, we know that already that differentiation of cosec x is what? Cot x cosec x. So there will be definitely integration of cot x cosec x will be cosec x plus c. Are you getting? Similarly, we already know that sine inverse, this will be inverse, okay, one inverse will be there, inverse 1. Because we learn in inverse case, in the case of inverse, we already learned this one, this vector. Come on, look here. Still have this part. Huh? Okay, good. Look here. We already know that ddx of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Right? So definitely, if I say, what is the integration of 1 by root 1 minus x square dx? It will be like sin inverse x plus c. Got it, my dear? So here it is given. Sin inverse x plus c. Same thing here. Integration of minus x is minus x root 1 plus x square is what? Cos inverse x plus c. Similarly, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, because we know the differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x. Similarly, differentiation of minus 1 by 1 plus x square is cot inverse x. Similarly, 1 by, a very simple thing, 1 by x root x square minus 1 is what? Sec inverse x, because sec inverse x ka differentiate is 1 by x root x square minus 1. Clear? Huh? Similarly, cosec inverse x, cosec inverse x minus 1 by x root x square minus 1. Similarly, the integrate of minus 1 by x root x square minus 1 is what? Cosec inverse x plus x. Clear? Same thing. So this is the new formula you got, which is not been introduced in differentiation. So we got a new one. Okay, here, very nice. Remember this one. Integrate of tan x is what? Log sec x plus c or log modulus cos x plus c. Integrate of cot x is what? Cot x is log sin x plus c. Integrate of sec x is what? Log sec x plus tan x plus c. Are getting? So in the upcoming classes, we will be getting some new formulas based on this only. So if this is not pakka, you will get nearly 100 formulas. 100 formulas nearly. So if this is the basic formulas, the root formulas. Like for example, when you are childhood, when you are in Class KG, what are the root alphabet you learn? ABCD. With the help of this ABCD, all the other words will introduce, all the other words will created. If somebody has a problem in ABCD, you can't create a word, you cannot create a sentence. I get what I'm saying? Same thing, these are the ABCD of the integration. So this should be exactly clear. So by next class, it should be in your mouth. Means you don't need to think once for saying the formula. So for this, you need to write 10 times at least. How much time? 10 times. Those who are watching video, it's for you also, right? Because I'm just saving your time, because the time is very less in our hand. We have hardly 2.5 months, so it's not difficult to complete half portion, half book. Half book is there. It's not a joke. Nearly integration takes 1 month, to learn each and every in detail. So do take the use of technology in the right direction and listen what I'm saying. Next class 10 times you need to be note down in a copy. I will be checking it, and not only checking it, I'll be asking you orally, everybody with stick. Are you okay? What do you say? Yeah, it should be done. Otherwise, if you want to be expert in here, you need to do this work. Okay. Otherwise, gone. I will just skip them. If you do like that, I will solve your question. Go. I will do my duty. If you are not attentive, gone. It is your loss. Okay. So what you want to write now? Huh? Pause. So now you write this one. Everything 20 formulas are there. You learn it anyhow. While you write 10 times now, while write 10 times, you take a sheet. Okay. And in half side of the page, you write differentiation. And against to it, you write the integration. So it will help to compare. When you have the good knowledge on comparison, you learn better, because people learn in comparison. Understood? It is very difficult to learn new things. But when you compare something with some other thing, some other previous knowledge, it will be very easy for us to learn it. Are you getting? So how you have to do the homework? Come on. You have to write about differentiation also, integration also, against to it. Suppose for example, this question don't have any differentiation, so you don't need to write. You have to separately for this integration only. Now come on, get on, carry on.